In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocHub paragraph feature. By the end, you'll feel confident opening your file, adding and editing paragraphs, fine-tuning the formatting, handling templates or forms, and saving or exporting your changes without losing quality. First, open or upload your document. From your DocHub dashboard, choose the option to upload from your computer or import from a connected drive. Give it a moment to process. Once the pages appear, you're ready to work. If your document is long or detailed, use the zoom controls so you can place text precisely and catch small formatting details as you go. Next, enter editing mode and select the text tool. Look for the tool that lets you add text. When it's active, your cursor becomes ready to insert paragraphs. This mode is where you'll spend most of your time, so keep it selected until you're done placing and editing text. Now add or edit paragraphs. To add a new paragraph, click where you want it and drag to create a text box. Start typing or paste text you've prepared. If you want your pasted text to match the document's style, use your system's paste without formatting shortcut to keep things consistent. To edit an existing paragraph you've already added, simply click once to select the text box and then type or adjust the content. If you need to reposition a paragraph, drag the text box and use the snapping guides to align it with nearby elements for a crisp layout. Adjust formatting so your paragraphs read clearly and look professional. With the text box selected, use the toolbar to set font, size, and color, and tweak alignment to left, center, or right as needed. Modify line spacing for readability. Tighter spacing fits more text, while looser spacing improves legibility. Control paragraph width by dragging the handles on the text box, which also influences how the text wraps across lines. If you're creating multiple paragraphs with the same style, duplicate a styled text box and replace the content to keep everything uniform. If you're working in a template or form, modify template paragraphs carefully. Keep your text inside the designated areas, and follow the visual guides so labels and values line up neatly. When a form has limited space, pare down the wording so everything fits without crowding. Finally, save or export your changes. DocHub maintains your edits, and you can download a clean PDF or export to your preferred cloud drive. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. That's it, your paragraphs are in place, cleanly formatted, and ready to share.